this 2011 Chevy Tahoe, and it is perfect if you're looking for a massive SUV that has third row seating, navigation, heated cooled seats, tow package, and tons more. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. You have tons of chrome throughout your grille with that crisscrossing pattern going on. And then you have these halogen headlamps with fog lamps below. You also have two tow hooks in the front. And then making your way over to your wheels, those are massive 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. And then this has a 5.3-liter V8 engine, so lots of power. Then looking at your side mirrors, those are chrome capped and they are powered. And you have running boards to help you up in this front and back seat. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these leather seats. They are heated and ventilated, super comfortable, power adjustable, just everything. And then you have memory settings on your driver's side. Then looking at your leather wrapped steering wheel, you have your cruise controls and your media controls, Bluetooth streaming, everything right there. And then looking at your media center is a touchscreen. You have your navigation right there, so that'll take you right to your destination. You also have your audio settings, so for all of your radio stuff, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM. And this has a backup camera, so you can see behind your vehicle, which is super helpful in a big vehicle like this. And then you have your climate controls right there. They are dual, so you can have different settings. And then you have your power pedals, your sensing system, and your traction control with a 12-volt on either side. Love all this wood grain accenting too. And then you have two cup holders there, some storage space, and then there's even more storage in your center console, which is massive, and it has a USB port and a 12-volt. Then looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable, universal garage door openers, and then making your way out, this has a Bose Sound System for amazing amplified sound. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have quad seating, so two seats in the middle with an aisleway between. You also have these armrests that you can fold up. And then right here you have heated buttons for these two seats, your climate controls, radio stuff, and then you have a 12-volt and two cup holders that fold down right there. These seats also have power folding buttons, so all you have to do is hold it down, and then it closes, so you can see that button right there, and it even goes up. So really super easy to get into that third row as well, where you have 3 more seats, as well as cup holders on each side. Then looking up, you have a roof rack up top, lift spoiler, LED tail lamps, and then your flex fuel badging. Plus you have a rear sensing system, so that will alert you to any objects behind your vehicle. Plus you have that tow package there as well. And then on your key fob you have power lift gate, remote start, and then looking back here you have lots of space. You can take these seats out in the back here, or you can fold them down, fold them up, super versatile. So overall, amazing vehicle. You have that third row seating, navigation, heated cooled seats, tow package, running boards. I mean, the list goes on and on. So if you want to see this Chevy or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre megalot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.